Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's still about the million out right here again, and right now guys, I want to actually talk about how you can actually make your first $10 online right now, right here. With that being said guys, without any further ado, let's get into this video on how you can actually make your first $10 online right now, right here. With that being said guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So right now guys, this is the first one on my list on how to actually make your first $10 on the online space. Right now, this is my first recommendation for you to actually go, and this is actually called Sproutgigs. Now Sproutgigs is actually literally, as you can see here, it says where the worlds work. It is actually an online market space that actually connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks tasks, and that's all. So literally easy to do affordable tasks. Now literally you can actually come here, this platform, as a literally you can actually come to what is it called, sproutgigs.com, and you can actually come here as someone that would actually hire people to actually get something done, or you can come here as a worker. Now you can come here literally to do different things. Now literally as a worker, and I'm going to be showing you guys so many jobs which you can actually do for yourself and make even up more than $10 every single day. Now, as you can see here, it says active members in over 250 different countries and territories. Literally, yes guys, so it's actually one market space with multiple ways to get work done. So now, as you can see here, there are a whole lot of things here on this actual place. Now I'm still going to be showing you guys, as you all know, Sproutgigs is actually called Picoworkers before, but now actually changed to Sproutgigs. Now Sproutgigs actually have a referral program also, and literally I'll still be jumping into that in a while. So literally, what as you can see here, it says what is success rate. Workers must maintain a success rate of 75%, over 75%, and at all times. That's a certified job. Too many not certified jobs will actually make workers success rate very low. Now low success rate prevents a worker from performing jobs for the next 30 days. Now, as you can see, the second most asked question here is, do job creators get charged for every task? Business pay only for tasks they are satisfied with. Sproutgigs does not charge a fee for tasks that do not meet requirements set in the job. Now, as you can see here, it says all job owners will actually have chance to rate every submitted task. Now, for the unaccepted tax, as you can see here, it will actually be cancelled and you can actually do it again. Now, job fees, as you can see here, in order to maintain a world-class 247 platform with a fully staffed administration team, we must charge fees. Please think of administration as your work team partner. We charge fees to approve every job, correct jobs, monitor the submission or the submitted jobs or tasks, and provide support fee services. And the job approval fee is actually $0.65 fee. For tax rated satisfied is actually 7% plus charged to both worker and employer. Now literally, let's jump into the platform. Enough of the talks, but right now, if you want to actually sign up on the platform, let me show you guys how you can sign up. So it's not really about knowing the platform, how you can actually sign up. As you can see here, this is the sign up space, and literally you write your real name, your email address, your password, then you confirm the same password again, then you type in your nickname. That would be your username there. Then you select your country, any country which you actually live in, you select it, and you click you're a worker. Then you click on all this checkbox, and then you click on sign up, and that's all. It's going to be signing you up, and then you you verify your email address. So after verifying your email address, now let's go to the login space, how you can actually log in to make money with the site. Literally, I don't really do all these stuff, but you guys can actually, because I have different businesses I do in the online space and also offline. So as you can see here, I still have my $0.63 that I actually worked formally. Now as you can see here, Picoworkers, there's actually a job right now that says I will do a 3D minimalistic business logo design price is actually $30. Now these are all people that are actually posting their gigs, which you can actually solve, or which you can actually do, and you get it done for yourself. Now as you can see here, this person says I will reduce one video size and from 1 gigabyte to 50 MB literally. Yeah, so it's actually possible. I can actually do that. I do it with my phone a whole lot of times, because I actually shoot my videos in 2K. When I'm actually wanting to edit it, sometimes my softwares don't I'm really sorry guys, so sometimes they don't actually accept, and sometimes the file space would be very big, so I would have to actually reduce the file. So I literally know how to do this. I'll create your AdSense ready blog website for $3. I'll create your AdSense ready blog website. Whoa, don't really understand. Hi, welcome to my gig. I will design and customize the template for your blog. Okay, it's actually customizing, uploading the theme and making social media buttons. Okay. I thought it was actually saying he wants to actually, and now this is actually one of the demo websites. You can actually check the demo websites for yourself to, if it actually suits your. You can literally hire everyone here, and let's show you guys how you can actually make money. Sorry for actually diversifying, but let's show you guys how you can actually make money. So right now you switch to worker and then click on understood. Now you're going to be seeing jobs that you can actually do here. Go to the menu, go to micro tasks. As you can see, you can actually go to micro tasks and find jobs, and literally you can go to surveys. There are surveys and there are offers. We'll go into that in a bit, but let's go to the find jobs. You can find jobs right now, and you guys will actually do it for yourself. I guess this video is actually getting that kind of long. As you can see here, new task, comment on our video. Just to comment on the video, you're getting $2. Now literally, let's say you do this in 5 times in a day, or let's just say you comment on 10 people's posts, you get $20 for yourself every single day. So that's it for yourself, guys. And literally you guys have actually seen it for yourself. So let's go into the next one, which is actually Picoworkers. So right now, if you search for Picoworkers and go to www.picoworkers.com. so now it's going to be logging you into this website. As you can see here, this is Picoworkers, and as you can see here, it says earn money as a click worker, literally. So Picoworker is actually a space where you can actually make money. It's similar to Sproutgigs, but yeah, kind of different. So I'm still going to be showing you guys in a while. I'm going to be signing up right now to Picoworkers, so you guys can actually see how it works. So right now it says it's great to have you on the team. So we just need to actually select our master dominion username. I love using levers 001. Yup. And real dominion order at gmail.com, and then I type in my password right now. All right, so I've actually typed in my password right now. Now let's click on continue. Let's see what it says. All right, so it says birthday. Let's choose it. Let's choose up our birthday. I was actually giving birth on December 22nd. December 22nd and 2022. 2002. Okay. Nigeria. All right, so native languages, not really. If there's actually English, UK is actually okay. And then streets, mobile phone number. So this is the phone number which I'm going to be using, and I'm of legal age. and then you click on finish and send. Let's see what it says again, guys. Okay, it says thank you for your registrations. Please check your email to activate your account. All right, so let's go to our email box and let's open this one up and go to our email. So we just wait for our email to actually load up, and I don't really need to switch. Okay, so the email hasn't actually dropped yet, so we just need to wait for the email. And when we get verified, because you need to actually get verified on the website before you actually start making money for it. So when you get verified, you can actually start making money for yourself. So let's go to the third one on my list, guys. So the third one on my list is actually this platform called Odily.com. I've talked about Odily on this platform severally, like a whole lot of times. Odily is actually crowdsourcing, outsourcing, platform that actually give you the opportunity to make money for yourself. So literally, let's go to the sign up space first of all to show you how you can actually sign up. So you just put in your full name, your username, your email address, and then you put in your password, preferred password, put in your phone number, you choose your gender, your country, your state, your date of birth, your bank, your account name, your account number, and then secret question, secret answer. Click this checkbox and then confirm you're not a robot. Then click on submit and complete registration. So now after that is actually done, and you come to here which says login. So literally, let's log into accounts and see how it would actually show up for us. So it's been kind of long. I even logged into this account. I will be very cool with you guys. That will be very I don't really love lying. I don't know, just saying the truth here. So it's been really long. I made some jobs. I got jobs done here because it's been work. I've been working lately. So right now, as you can see here, it says subscribe to my YouTube channel, $10. Follow my TikTok page, 15 naira. Sorry, follow Instagram page, 10 naira. YouTube 10 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira, 10 naira, 15 naira, 10 naira, and so on and so forth. And then when you accumulate it, you know you are going to be making money for yourself. So literally, these are the 3 websites which you can actually use to make money for yourself. And so I think that would actually be all for this video. If you love what I do here, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is published to this channel. So thank you very much for watching. As you can see here, guys, I literally have what's it called, I have my account balance. I don't even know I have some cash in it, but this is my link. I'm gonna be putting my link in the description box below. Please use it to actually sign up, and the registration fee has actually been cut down to 2,500 naira. If you use my referral link, it's gonna be 2,500 naira. It is actually 3,000 naira initially, but if you use my referral link, you can be getting it for 2,500 naira. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.